Hi, yeah. So this time I decided to use Microsoft Excel again to create a university result slip. So I remembered back then in University of Buea around 2007-8, where we used to receive result slips at the end of each semester, which contained our uh, scores in the continuous assessments and the exams. Right. So that took me back and decided to replicate this with Excel. So the grading metric is right here on the left hand side, and this is the same metric used by University of Buea. Not sure if that has changed, but then that is how it used to be. And then this is the result slip itself, made up of the courses, the credit value, the continuous assessment year CA, the exam, total, grade point, and the weighted point. Right. So for the course and the credit value, I think these are for the university to decide. So they can decide to assign whatever name they want to assign on a course, as well as the credit value for that course. So some courses might have a higher credit value, others might have a lower. But for this practical exercise, I just decided to use a unique credit value for all these imaginary courses. Right. So the idea here is just to show you how Excel can facilitate the filling of these result slips. It makes the process automated and very fast, which means that instead of you doing every manual calculation, all you need to do is just to be entering the scores of the CA and the exams, and the rest will be done automatically. Even at the bottom here, you see the GPA, the semester GPA. That's the graded point average for that semester. As we're entering the scores here, this GPA will be accumulating until after entering all the scores, we'll have the final GPA for that semester. So the only thing you need to do is just to enter the scores, and that's what we're about to do now. So watch. Right. So let's say the student year scored maybe about 18 during CA in the principle of finance, and in the exam they scored about 45. Oh, so they have a B grade. Right. Okay. Let's check on accounting. Let's say in accounting is a little maybe difficult, and they failed in the CA, and in the exam, let's say they failed too. Ah, they failed. So they have a D plus there. Right. Let's say in marketing they did well, maybe 24 in the CA, and in the exam about 56. Ah, that's great. They have an A. In management, they did kind of well as well. Yeah, they have 20, and yeah, maybe they have 40 or maybe 50. Ah, they have a B plus. That's nice. And what about statistics? Maybe it's challenging for them. Maybe they have like 16 in the CA and about 34 in the exam, or they have just C net. And lastly, in business studies, they have about 21 in CA, and in the exam about 47. So they have a B there. So at the end, the student scored a GPA of 2.83 for that semester. Right. So that's it. So everything here has been automated from the total down to the weighted point. So all we need to do is enter the CN exam scores, and the rest are being done for you. You don't need to stress on that. So that's just the purpose. And all of this was done with a mixture of tools like conditional formatting, if and ifs function, and lots of other things put together. Right. So if you like it, I can send to you. Right. So just share the video. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.